Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to configure data logger of a Luminous inverter. Okay, see as shown in the picture, just insert the data logger in the communication port or the data logger port. Okay, later you open your Wi-Fi settings and search for the data logger serial number which is available or not, which is whether it is reflecting or not in the Wi-Fi settings. Okay, open your Wi-Fi settings and search. If it is not reflecting, just search it. So here the data logger serial number is reflecting. Now press on it and try to connect it to the data logger. Okay, the password will be 123456789. Okay, if you enter mistake, then it will not be connected. Just make sure it should be connected only to the data logger serial number. I am entering the password again, 123456789. Previously I have entered 123456788. Here I am entering again 123456789. Okay, now press on connect. So it is connecting. Yes, if it is showing obtaining IP address, then it is going to be connected. Okay, now what you have to do is close the settings and open a browser, web browser, Chrome or whatever the browser you are using. Okay, here you can click no thanks. It is asking whether to disconnect to the data logger serial number and connect to Wi-Fi, which is internet is available. No, I know it. I want to connect it to the data logger serial number only. I was cross-checking whether it is disconnected or not. No, it is connected to the data logger serial number only. Okay. In address bar, type the IP address 10.10.100.254. So you can see in the address bar. So after typing, click on enter. Search. Here it will ask you to enter username and password. In data logger manual itself, it will be clearly mentioned whatever the password is. So here I am entering admin and admin. No, it is not accepting. Okay, I am trying here admin and 123456788. Okay, 9. Sign in. And yeah, it took login. Now zoom in to the left side. You can find quick setup. Okay, so in the center screen you can find all the inverter details. Okay, now you have to enter the second option to the left of the screen. Zoom it and click on quick setup. See in the center screen, it will ask you to connect to the Wi-Fi. Click on search in first column itself. So after searching, clicking on search, you will see the Wi-Fi username. I mean Wi-Fi names here. So just make sure that the signal should be above 40%. So search for your Wi-Fi name and select that. If you are not finding, click on search. So make sure inverter, if you stand nearby the inverter, the Wi-Fi signal should be above 3 points. Minimum 3 points is mandatory, or else the data reflection will be irregular. Okay. So now I have selected my Wi-Fi name, Krishnaveni. Okay, now click on OK. Next. In next page, it will ask you to enter the Wi-Fi password, customer's Wi-Fi password. Okay, not data logger's password. So type the password and see the password whether it's right or not, and press on save. So make sure to read this note which is reflecting in the next page. Okay, because it is really mandatory. So you have to know the status of the data logger, whether it is configured or not. Okay, if what it is saying is, if the data logger green color is still flashing, it means data logger is not yet configured. Okay, you can cross check it by going into Wi-Fi settings. If the data logger serial number is still reflecting the Wi-Fi setting, then you have to reconfigure it again. See, if the green color LED is flashing and the AP signal is still available, please recorrect to the stick and redo the setup. Make sure. It means it is asking you to, what we say. See, I am opening my Wi-Fi settings. See, data logger serial number is still reflecting. Solis -5A121C22, etc. It means it is not configured yet. See, still it is connected to the data logger serial number. So what I have to do is, I will remove the tab and again entering into a new tab, re-enter the IP address which I mentioned, zoom it, click on quick setup, click on search in the center of the screen. So here you will find the Wi-Fi name. Click on the select the Wi-Fi name and click on OK. it will ask you to enter the Wi-Fi password. Enter the Wi-Fi customer's Wi-Fi password, router Wi-Fi password. Okay, check the password and save. Click on save. Okay, so make sure the password whichever you entered is right. See, in the notification panel up, you can see the data logger is disconnected from my mobile, means data logger is configured. See, Wi-Fi, it is only still showing Wi-Fi, not data logger serial number. In the sense, it is data logger got configured. Now let me check whether data logger serial number is reflecting in my app, Wi-Fi settings or not. See, you can nowhere find data logger serial number here apart from the customer's user router name. Okay, now I will show you the data logger, what light it is blinking. Okay, the green color should be steady, it should not flash. Okay, let me show you the data logger. Sorry, it is not visible. Okay, give me a minute. I will show you directly the lights nearby. So you can observe green color is steady. It means data logger is configured. Okay, 3 lights are steady. Now what I have to do is open the application. Here I am using Solis cloud application. Switch on the internet or connect to the Wi-Fi, customer's Wi-Fi. Open Solis cloud application, whatever the application you are using. Enter the username which I already created and I didn't mention in this video. Enter the credentials of the application and try to log in into this application. So tick marks and click on login. Okay, it will redirect to the plant. Here it is asking to turn on the notifications. Whatever the alarms, it will notify you in your mobile. So here Asha Jyoti plant is created. Click on that Asha Jyoti. It will ask you to add data logger serial number. See, we created username, we created plant, but we didn't add data logger serial number. Here I am adding data logger serial number by scanning it. Cross check it and press on OK. So click on view plant after that. If it is not scannable, you can type it manually. Okay. Now click on device. Click on data logger. See, data logger is already reflected. 1 minute ago it reflected. Click on the data logger serial number. You can see the data which is already reflecting. Okay. Online. In the sense, it configured. So go back. So click on inverter. Inverter is not yet reflected. So wait for a while and now it got reflected. So inverter reflection will take more time than data logger. Okay. You have to wait with patience. Now going back to dashboard in the plant. Here gray color is there, right? It will show you in green color. In this sense, in dashboard itself you can monitor, not to enter in depth. Okay, so you have to wait for 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes data will reflect. Okay, not immediately. Sometimes it will reflect immediately, sometimes it will take its own time to fetch the data. If the signal is too good, then it will see. Here green color, it is already came. You can monitor here itself the data. So in this way we are going to configure the data logger, and reset process is already uploaded in the YouTube. You go through it. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.